Alrighty guys, what's up? I fixed it in your face, and today we're going to be putting a new windscreen on this Suzuki because it didn't come with one. I don't have the two outside screws here, so I'm going to see what I have on my shelf. However, I think we can still make this work right now. Once I fit it in there, I'll find out if these are even necessary to really have to put in right now, but let's find out. As much as I would say I want to do this correctly, I don't have the parts that are missing because somebody removed them, so I'm going to have to see what I have on my shelf first. But for right now, we're just going to take these front two screws out. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. I make content like this all the time to help you guys fix your own motorcycles. And yeah, if you're not subscribed, you'll miss a lot. So let's see here. How's this one clip in? I should just pull away here. Not quite sure what's holding this in on this side. What's got you bound up there, buddy? Up and then out. Okay, so yeah, we're missing some screws here. So let me go see what I got. Because this is pretty self-explanatory, to be honest with you. It looks self-explanatory anyways. I'm not sure how far down these need to go, but I can get them all in there how they should be. They should center up pretty well, like so. Yeah, just like that. And I'm gonna have to see what I can put behind here because unfortunately it looks like somebody has removed the screws. However, up here, I think I have an idea for up here. So if you guys have yours should still have the bolt screws for up here. All this stuff I'm gonna have to work with slightly, but I have an idea for this. I have some metal biters that can honestly just go right through this plastic on this side, and then I can just grind them down. I think that's gonna be the ideal way to move forward. So right now, I'm gonna go ahead and find something to put behind here. I think I have some little stuff here that might work, or we'll check my goodie box. I have a motorcycle plastics kit. Some of this stuff might actually work for our needs right here. So let me see what we got first. And yeah, we'll have to go from there. So pretty annoying. However, like I said, I think some of these I might be able to slide stuff on the end of and make this work. Like one of these could probably fit on there and still fit underneath the plastics. So we'll have to test that. Same thing with over here. Gonna have to see. I think I can fit one on there too. All right, so fairly self-explanatory here. I have to pull this away just enough that I can get this in there. Let's figure out what bolt goes to this first. Probably one of these short little guys here. I gotta make sure the bolt I'm putting through it won't fall through the hole. That looks good. Let's see if that's the right size. It is not, so I need to up this a size here. Okay, come on out of there. There we go. I think it's one of these guys here. That is exactly what it is. One of these buggers. Well, okay. There's that. I'm just gonna throw things here. Oh, so I'll need 3 of these. So I think I can make this work with what I've currently got for hardware. It's just gonna be kind of a pain in the butt. You know what I mean? So we'll slide one of these on here. This is for the plastics kit. Pull this back so we can get the bolt underneath there, and hopefully it just stays there. And hopefully it doesn't do that. That was my worry. Alright, well, let's pinch this a little bit. We'll give this a pinch, and then we'll slide it back on there and try that again. This time it's pinched, so hopefully it should stay by being pinched. I just wanted to make sure it would get through there first. It looks like I've got enough room to make this work. So, go ahead and pop that down in there one more time now that it's pinched. We'll see if we can put this bugger in there. I think it'll go. I think it'll go. Might need my Allen wrenches for this one. Let's see, where's the Allen wrenches? Oh man, where's my good ones? There they are. There they are. Probably a 5, I would say. Looks like a 5. Definitely a 5. All right. I think it's going in. Yeah, it's going in, okay. So that'll work for that side. So we'll do another one of those on this side here. So we're going to pinch one of these first, these little clips. You can buy this whole plastics kit on eBay for stupid cheap. Doesn't cost much. Put this upside down, put it on there again, slide it over. There we go. Pull these plastics back until we can get this in there. There we go. We'll see if we can get this other one down on there. There's number 2. We'll go. You don't want to tighten these down too much, but just enough. And yes, I did buy the screen that has a lot more uprise to it. As a sport bike rider, you hate wind in the face hard when you're going fast, so I don't want to strip these out, but I also don't want them to rattle loose. So we got one more to do down here. Let's grab another one of these, give this a little squeeze, see if we can get this underneath here without having to unplug the light. That would be ideal, honestly. That would be ideal. Now this one's going to be a bit more of a pain here. Come on, you can get on there. There we go. No, where'd you go? Yeah, this one's going to be frustrating. And I'm not sure it's quite necessary to have this one because the front plate holds it down, but I like to try to do things right if I can. So, see if we can get this puppy in there. I think I got it. Looks like I might have got it. Nice, I got it. Nice. And there's that one. Cool. So, plastics kit. They're pretty basic for almost all motorcycles through the 95s through 2000s. You can find them pretty much anywhere. What did I just do with my screw gun? I want to put these in a little faster this time. Screw gun, where'd you go? Could have sworn I just had my screw gun. You know what? I found it. Oh, buddy. All right, let's put this puppy back on there. Now, if you guys can see that, it's the same thing. Just pinch the little clip underneath there. Good to go. Rocket ship. Now we got to get these pins back into place. Should slide in just like that. There we go. There's that one. So why aren't you lining up now? There we go. That's it. New windshield on there. There you go, guys. Pick you up, let you have a little look. So I did buy the high uprise one. May look a little weird, but man, it'll definitely keep some wind out of your face while you're screaming along on this thing. Once the mirrors go on there, it'll start looking a lot more normal as well. So there you go. That's how you put on a windscreen. Pretty simple. So if you guys haven't subscribed, smash the like button, do all that good stuff. Hopefully this helped you. But having one of those plastics kit, and there's a lot that comes with those plastics kit, by the way. That's just a small fraction of the plastics kit. There's a lot more stuff that comes with that kit. But yeah, and it's like $16 for that plastics kit. I've used it through numerous different bikes. They're almost all the same. So you can just buy almost any plastics kit for, or fairing screw bolt kit for bikes from 95 to 2000, you know, 10, and most likely it'll work across the board for all bikes. So
are you sure this is okay? You're in country, dude. Live a little. Now she's pretty sensitive, so go easy on the throttle, okay? All right.